Hi guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok app where we show you how to remove, add and manage green screen on TikTok. So let's go to this app. Right now we are on our profile page, and right now I will show you how to add this green screen effect, later how to disable it. So let's click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on the effects feature. Later, we need to go to the green screen section, and we have a lot of different effects with the green screen, so we can add, for example, images or videos from our gallery smoothly and successfully, but one of the most popular of them is the first option, is the first effect, when we can show our face. Remember that we can also check and select the needful photo from our gallery. The needful list will appear at the top, and I will click on this as an example. Remember that you will show your face, it will be hi, it's me, it will be shown, and you can smoothly create a new TikTok after tapping on the central button. Of course, don't forget to check if you have the added sound. If you don't want to save it, let's click on the cross. But okay, so what if you don't want to have this green effect, if you don't want to have this image on your background? Let's tap on the effect section again, and later let's pick on the crossed circle, which is the first feature here at the top bar, to disable all of the effects. Ta-da! Right now you can smoothly create your normal TikTok also after tapping on the red central button, and as you can see, right now we don't have any effects here. Don't forget to pick on the check mark to save changes, and next button to go to the drafts to save our created TikTok to this draft section, or to post it to our profile page. I will choose this option, drafts, and right now I hope that you know how to use these screen effects on your device. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on YouTube and on TikTok. Good luck!